Go inside and go pee. Ow! Watch out for that massive hole. Oh, heavens. There's Talis peeing in the front yard. Very nice, Talis. Good thing it's very early in the morning. Nobody's driving by. Oh. Good job. Now all the birds are going to be like loving on our yard. We got bird feed everywhere.
What are you doing?
Do you want some? Let me see your hand. No, just your hand. Put your hand out. Oops, there you go. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Now throw it out far where the birdies can eat it and enjoy it. On the grass, guys. Out on the grass. Let's put it over here on the grass. Our baby birds are almost able to fly away.
Sorry.
Thank you. Okay, good job. The birds are going to be very excited. Good job. Okay, is all the bird food containers empty now? Go ahead and pour it all out, and then we'll go inside for a while, and then we'll keep an eye out through the we'll keep an eye out through the windows to see if all the birds come to eat. What are you doing, Nubis? Are you eating it? Okay, let's go inside for now, and we'll keep an eye out for the birds. Good job, sweetie. Go ahead, open the door. Yeah, it's bird food, not Tao food. It's for the birds.
There you go.
Thank you.